a powerful 5-minute morning meditation. Allow yourself to relax in this moment. Settle in. No to-do lists. There's no place else you need to be. Breathe in and release. Breathe in deeply and release. Allow your eyelids to relax and your neck, chest, arms and legs. Imagine a calming sensation, cooling sensation, making its way throughout your body. And as you relax, you invite more goodness into your day. You are a powerful creator. And it all starts in your mind, in this moment. For a brief period, I want you to visualize your day unfolding in the most powerful way. Visualize as much detail as you can, and pay attention to how you will feel in those moments. And it is done. Now visualize your best self. What does your best self feel like? Filled with gratitude and love, patience and motivated. Your best self is waiting to explore this day. It's ready. Allow it to fill your being. Wonderful. Things may come your way today that evoke feelings, reactions, discord. Today you will become an observer. You will no longer attach yourself to situations and those feelings. It will be almost as if you are stepping outside of your physical body. And as you do this, things slow down. You allow yourself to be more deliberate, less reactive, more in control, and therefore more powerful. Know that. Embrace today. because it's waiting for you. Breathe in deeply and release. Breathe in deeply again and let it all go. Go and enjoy this beautiful day. You deserve it. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for your next meditation.